Okay, this is test number 1. 0.6 millimeter gold 14 karat wire being deposited at 30,000 RPM onto aluminum oxide in the form of a meander that is a total of 10 millimeters long by 5 millimeters wide with three meanders. And I'm using a constant X to Z feed ratio of 80, so if I move 5 millimeters, I move 5 millimeters in the surface, I move 0.0625 millimeters in the Z. Or if I move 10 millimeters in the surface, I move 0.125 millimeters in the Z, etc., etc. So, and I'm using a surface feed rate of 75 millimeters a minute for every move. So, with no further ado, here goes nothing. Contact. Printing. Okay. Camera's off.